Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change username on Snapchat app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to change your username on Snapchat can be important if you want to update your identity, rebrand yourself, or simply use a username that better reflects your personality. And changing your username allows you to maintain control over your online identity and can be useful if you are looking to switch to a more memorable or professional username. So how to do that? Let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Well, after that, enter to your profile page at the corner. And then you can click settings icon at the top right corner here. Well, and here you can select username option, and then click change username to continue. Okay, lastly click next here, and then enter your password to confirm the change you have made. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change username on Snapchat app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.